One of the best YouTube advice I've gotten in the past is that if there's no action call, there is no action taken. Like, if you don't call an action in your video, there won't be any action that will be taking place. Okay, so in other words, what I'm trying to say is that if you don't use a call to action button on your video, definitely your video might not give you what you expect in terms of subscribers, in terms of like, in terms of watching. Okay, I mean watch hour, sorry, in terms of watch hour. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you step by step on how you can actually make your own call to action. And guys, it's so simple. These steps are so simple. It's something you can easily do, and it doesn't require any money at all. Okay, it doesn't require any money at all, and all these steps are just baby steps that everybody can take. Call to action is the best way to nurture your channel and also convert your viewers. Okay, you know, YouTube actually recommends videos, and most of these people that YouTube is recommending your videos to are not your subscribers. Okay, yes, they are not your subscribers. So the best thing you can actually do is to use a call to action in your videos, so all those people YouTube are recommending to your video can actually subscribe and be part of your community. And you know, from there you start getting your subscribers, you have more watch hours and more engagement. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you step-by-step process on how to do this. Okay, all you have to do is just to stay glued to the channel, watch this particular video to the very end. Okay, so you don't miss any step I take. So let's dive right into the video.
Okay guys, so the first thing you will need to do is to head onto your browser and you type pexel.com. This will come up, so you click on it. After you click on it, it will bring you to this interface. Okay, after it brings you to this interface, all you have to do is to click on video. Okay, after clicking on video, you click on what you want to download, then you type YouTube subscribe. It's done, then you search. Fine, so this it will load up various and all kinds of subscribe button for you. All you have to do is just to go through it and see anyone you like and anyone you want to use. So I'm going to click on this one. Let me see how it is. Okay, all right, let me use this one. This one is okay, and you can also look for more. Okay, let me see this one. Yes, this one too is nice. Let me download this one. So now I'm going to download this. Okay, and anytime you want to download on this website, they're actually free images to use without no copyright. So make sure that this use for free use is there. So what I'm going to do now is to download it. I'll just click on free download. Okay, you ask me to donate. I'm not donating anything. I'll just click on download here. It is downloaded. I'll now open it up. So guys, this is the so you can see that it actually came with sound. Now if you're using an iPhone, you have to take it to your photo album so you'll be able to use it. Okay, so I'm going to click on save video. Okay, so after I might have saved that, I'll head on to my CapCut. Okay, I want to show you how you're going to use it. All right, so right now I'm on CapCut and I want to teach you how you're going to use it. All right, let's say now that you want to use it for this particular project. All you have to do is to import your project. Okay, after you might have import your project, then you click on overlay. Okay, you click on add overlay to take you back to your gallery. You click on this. Okay, here is it. It has actually is added to our video. Now you can't leave it like this. You know what you're going to do? You click on remove BG, then you click on this chroma key, this one, then you auto pick the green color. As you can see, I've picked the green color. This is the color picker. I've picked the green color, then I'll click alright. I have taken away the blue, the green screen. Can you see? It's as simple as that to use on your video. And if you want to use it multiple times, you can actually duplicate this. Click on it, then click on duplicate, then you duplicate and take it to wherever it is you want to use it. So it's as simple as that. Thank you so much for watching. If you are finding it so difficult to use your CapCut Pro, I've made a video on how to do that. And if you need that, just check through my channel. There are various videos I've done that will help your creating career. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please like this video and see you in my next one. Bye.